Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic Z from Magic Wednesday, and this is your most requested July love and work forecast for Scorpios. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Scorpio, this reading is for you. If you know a Scorpio, you can cross watch it for them. Friends, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a reading, friends. And join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday to buy a personal reading. Visit to our website. And this is a general reading, friends, may or may not resonate. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Let's see, Scorpios. What's the month for July for you? Wow, the sun. That's interesting. Very nice. Let me just shuffle the cards a bit. Okay, Scorpios, interesting month for you, definitely, because look at that, the 10 of Cups, and oh, we'll take this, right? The Chariot. So it is a very, very fast and positive month for you, Scorpios. July is definitely, you know, before you know it, July will be over, friends, because this is a very, very fast month for you, a very positive month. You will feel more positive. You will also feel more optimistic about your life. Also, friends, this month, the focus is on fame, the focus is on limelight, the focus is on taking some risk, doing what is risky, taking charge of your life, taking the control, Scorpio. So you are definitely feeling, the light, the sunshine, the boost of, a powerful boost in life. So, yes, and I do feel this month is also about family, relationships of all sorts. Family is very important for you, Scorpios, and I do see if you are single, high chance of getting married or feeling emotionally ready to get married. If you are married, high chance of having pregnancy or childbirth, having a child, getting ready to expand your family, definitely. And if you are in a relationship which was stuck, things are definitely going to get better for you. It's a month where, the sun is definitely shining on you, showers of blessing. The sun is blessing you. It is fame, it is positivity, risks, expansion, happiness coming in your life, Scorpios, things moving forward finally, after a long, long time. Let's see your love life, Scorpios. The Queen of Cups and the Queen of Wands and the Three of Cups. Very interesting. And another Queen. All the three Queens are here for you. What's up, Scorpios? Ooh, look at that. The Queen of Swords, the Queen of Wands, the Queen of Cups, your own energy. What are you up to? All the three Queens are here for you. And the Three of Cups. Let's see what else is happening for Scorpios, your love life in July. The Four of Pentacles. Okay, the Six of Wands, the World, Nine of Swords, Five of Cups, Nine of Wands, Three of Wands, the Empress, the King of Cups, the Five of Cups, Five of Swords, and the Knight of Swords, Knight of Pentacles, sorry. So I do feel, friends, you are dealing with a lot of people. This is a very people-oriented month for you, Scorpio. So get ready. A lot of people are gonna knock on your doors of your heart. They want you. They want to talk with you. Yes, a lot of people are affecting your love life. Yes, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Aries, Leo, Sag, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, also affecting your love life. So I do feel that, the first week of July, your focus is more on friendships, on socializing rather than on love. You want to take some time getting to meet new people, talk to people, or be friends with your lover, your twin flame, your husband, wife. Lighter, fresher energies. That's what you are after in the first week of July. You don't want any drama. You don't want anything stressful or too intense, too mushy, too cuddly. No. Nope, nope, nope. You want something light, you want something fresh. You are like, you want a lemonade in love rather than a whiskey or a wine. That's what you want. You don't want like the cuddly passion. You want like, let's sit and talk. So, love is more friendly for you in the first week. I also feel You could be dealing with third party, or a lot of people are affecting your love life. Yes, if you are single, love could be coming through your friends or through your friend circle or your cousins or your family circle. Yes, love is close to you, closer to you because of your friends or common family members. A lot of the communications are mostly about lighter side of life, friendliness, meeting, talking, sharing on the first week. Let's see the second week. The second week starts to get a bit difficult because someone is not trying to share what they want to say to you. You are feeling upset because of it. Your lover is not talking, or you feel like they are hiding their feelings, they are hiding their emotions. You feel this is a bit immature of them. They feel you are behaving too arrogantly. But I do feel success will be able to come out of this situation again in the second week. You will be able to come out of these, cold war kind of a situation in the second week. Things will open up. You could be dealing with a no contact long distance relationship. You could be dealing with a third party in July. Yes, friends, very very strongly. Third party could be work, your career, your partner's work, their family, your family, religion, culture, distance, anything. There is a third party definitely affecting your relationships. But in the second week, the thing is, your person is not talking to you much, and they are not sharing, and you are upset why they are not sharing, and you are also taking your time, so you both are quiet. But this will resolve in the second week, don't worry. In the third week, yeah, your person is having anxiety. They might be going through sleepless nights, and they are crying for you. Someone from the past is also coming back in the third week. Your person who was not talking to you in second week, they are crying for you in like, oh my god, take me back, I can't live without you. And you are like, what now? Yeah, but they don't. You are defensive of love in third week, but your person definitely wants you back. It's not over yet, Scorpio. So I don't know why I said Capricorn. Maybe you need to watch the Capricorn reading, or you are dealing with a Capricorn. So Scorpios, you will take some time to open up to your lover, even though they are begging for you to come back. Yes, I do see things will get better eventually, and talks will open, love will flow, things will get better, time to meet and spend and travel also together will happen. Yes, but if there were hurt and pain, it will be resolved in the third week. Let's see the final week. In the final week, yes, your person will definitely realize you are the king or the queen for them. They can't run away, they can't live without you. They will offer some sort of a commitment or some sort of a proposal for you. I don't know how much you will accept it or not, because I do see that Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is also there in the picture trying to win you, Scorpio. So there is two choices in love, or there are third parties still affecting your connection even in the final week of July. So don't worry. Take a slow and steady approach in love, because you can come out of these blocks. It is not too difficult. Let's see some advice what you can do to come out of these blocks in love. Oh my god, the cards just fell. Maybe that's the advice for you. Intuition. Listen to your intuition when it is time to speak, when it is time to step away, when it is time to share your heart, and when it is not. Firm foundation. Yes, you are definitely working to improve your relationships, their foundations, trust and all those kind of issues. You are working on them. Material harvest. Yes, I do feel someone's work is also affecting maybe your career or your partner's career, or their ambitions are affecting the relationship. Obstacles and challenges. Yes, there are certain obstacles for you, Scorpios, but you there is nothing you can't change or you can't come out of in this month. So yes, go for it. Listen to your intuition. It will guide you. It will help you. Let's see your work and career now. Let's see your career, Scorpios. Eight of Swords. Ooh, Tower. Oh my god. Seven of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, and the High Priestess. Again, intuition. What's this Tower about? Let's take a clarify. What is this Tower about? Oh, wow. Yeah, see, some relationship is definitely affecting your career also. It could also be that you are dealing with someone you are working with, so that's becoming a problem for you to work, because you are dating someone at work or you are in relationship with them. And that's why it's becoming a problematic situation. Also, your love life could be affecting your career this month. So, friends, take care, Scorpios, take care. And let's see. I do feel, friends, this month you may feel money is, if you know, in the past months, money was not coming properly to you. In this month, money will come back, it will start to flow more towards you. You are attracting a lot of money this month. But at the same time, you will still be scared, because even though money is coming, success is coming, you will still not be able to trust it because you had seen some really tough times, Scorpios. You have been out of work or out of money, or you have struggled in the past. So you are like, is it is it really, can I rely on this? Is it enough? Do I need more? So some fears will definitely be affecting your work and career, but you can come out of it by listening to your intuition. So if you are a student, listen to your intuition, follow it, don't doubt it. If you are working or if you are looking for job or money, investing in money, etc., listen to your intuition. Your intuition can guide you. And the 7 of Pentacles, yeah, take it slow, friends, take it slow, Scorpio, this month, because if you are not taking slow, uh, you know this is a month where slow and steady will win the race for you. You are already doing amazingly. There are certain changes which may happen, some change of plans, some delays may happen, but nothing that will not actually overall favor you because you have the sun's energy. So the sun is favoring you. The sun will be in Cancer soon and it will favor you, it will boost you. So don't worry. And the Two of Cups, yes, partnerships are the key again at your work, joint work, teamwork, learning to work with people, accepting their, learning to say no, learning to accept their suggestions. All these things are very important. If you are a student, definitely group study is very important. Working on project with people are very important, and still listen to your intuition. Let's see some advice for you, Scorpios. Okay. Cancel, clear, and release. Yeah, that's very important. You do have some fears coming up, Scorpios. So it is time to do not doubt your potential. Do not listen to the fear. Just say cancel, clear, delete, and you will be focused on this energy of the sun. Keep focusing on the sun. Keep moving towards the light and expect miracles. Oh my god, this is beautiful. So expect miracles. Scorpios, you are doing great in July. Expect the unexpected, and look at that, strength and guidance. Yes, guidance is coming for you, and you're very, very, very powerful, Scorpio, so don't doubt it. Let's see some other cards. Okay, let's take it. Teapot, friendships, dealings, or relationship with someone of the same sex. Yeah, I do feel that friendships are very important for you. December is also very important. Parrot, someone will gossip all your secrets. Yeah, I do feel people are talking about you. Younger woman, someone young is important. Victory, you are going to be successful. Wrath, sorrow over some loss. Yeah, there might be certain loss to you, or some ending, some delays. Torch, spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness, and understanding. This is also a card of expecting, the best. Even though you don't know how things will work out, they will work out because keeping your faith strong. Hidden secrets can harm you. Tiger, doing something risky. Yeah, you may want to take some risk, but be balanced about it. Step into a new situation. Rooster, boastful person you should not cross. Yeah, people will be egoistic or jealous because you are doing so well. An older man, there might be older man important for you. Mice, discord among friends. Yeah, I do see that your relationships, there are third parties. Heartache over what you no longer have. You may miss somebody, miss some money or something you want. Whale, things changing in your favor. Kangaroo, unsettled times, you need to plan ahead. I think this is a great month for you, friends. The only problems are you need to stay focused on positivity and some expect your miracles. They are coming, they're gonna happen for you. Subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday. Join us on Insta to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. And for now, this is Mystic C saying bye bye.